Hello everybody. We're still talking about the WebPlotDigitizer and extracting data from images, and we want to see in this video how we can deal with images where automatic extraction is not possible. And this is an example of what I'm mentioning here. In this image, I'm interested only in this graph. And you see this graph has or is drawn in black color, and the background is white, but there are like it's some logarithmic scale, and there are a lot of black lines in the background because of the grid lines. The axes are black, everything is written in black, and we'll try first to use this like manual extraction for this image, and if it doesn't work, we'll see or we'll see that's not gonna work. This is the point of this. So again, I'm gonna go for 2x to xy, and then I have to define this minimum x, maximum x, minimum y, and maximum y, and I'm now done with these. This is on a log scale. The minimum is 1 and this maximum is 1000. The minimum here is 1, the maximum is 1000, and this is all. So now we have the xy is defined, and for the data set, this is the default data set, and now we want to see what we can do. So first I'm gonna do the like automatic extraction. I'm just gonna choose the color picker, or ask the color picker to pick the color of the line. So this is the color, it's black, so no RGB. And this is delta x is I'm gonna make it like, I'm gonna keep it as 10 for now, and I'm gonna use the pen to ask the software to search. This is very thick pen, so I'm gonna erase it, erase all, and back to the pen, make it thinner, and like ask it to go for only this line. Of course, it's not an easy thing. I'm trying my best to keep the software looking for the points in a very limited space, so we don't get any values that are like away from what we want or different from the region that we're interested in. And now I'm gonna run the software. So we will see that it's kind of working nicely, but it's gonna see points that are out like this, like this, like this, like this. Here there are some points that are not very good. Most of them are kind of good, but because I made it very precise, but there are some points that are not good. So it kind of worked here, but still this is something that is not good. I can kind of like make it better. I'm not sure what other things will do if I go for let's say other averaging ways, or algorithms. Some will not work at all, some will give like weird data, some will I don't know what are these, so I have no idea if they're gonna work or not, but it seems that they're not working. And this seems to be the best thing, but still it's not very accurate, and it depends on how you can draw the line, and in some cases not even gonna work because the background color might be very like close to this. So anyways, if you're not happy with this, you can go for manual extraction. I'm gonna clear this data, and I'm gonna just to show you how the manual extraction works. So what we do in manual extraction is to add the points manually. So by adding the points manually, you are just doing what we did in the defining the axes. So I'm gonna go for a specific point and click on it, and by clicking on it, you are choosing this as a point. I'm gonna go for like as many points as I want. It needs kind of some precision and some accuracy while doing this. It's not the best way to do it, but in some cases it's the only available way that you can that you can use. It depends on the resolution of the image. In some cases, when the image is like has very low resolution, it's kind of pixelated, and the software cannot tell exactly where the point is. So in such cases, your eyes are better, and they can tell where the points are. The good thing about this is that you can adjust the points. So if you have a point here and you want to adjust its location, make sure that it's in the right place. You can fine tune it with the mouse or with the arrows on the keyboard. And if there is a point that you're not happy with, you can delete it, but just click on delete and then delete it. So this works as well. So it gives you some flexibility in manually checking the points or picking the points from the graph, and to fine tune their location so that you can get them as accurate as possible. Again, this is not the best way to do it. It's the last option in case of having the automatic extraction failing. And as we saw, automatic extraction might work, but in some points will not be good, and it's going to be very tricky to exclude these points from the data set that you have after extracting the points, because you have to know exactly where the x and where the y are, or what they are for this specific point. If you know, then it's gonna be fine. If not, then you might need to go for the manual extraction. So these two options are available. Whatever one you are interested in, you can use, and they both do the same thing. So I hope these videos are helpful, and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.